Hey friends, if you wish to fix file system error -21472199196 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So file system error of any kind means that there is some corruption in system files, especially DLL files. Now, what is the main resolution to it? NSFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next one is a DISM scan. So I have a command for you and I'll share it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. So paste it here and hit enter. Okay. I have actually added one thing here. Wait, it added the dot. I'll copy it again. Okay, so it's the DISM scan without the dot. And lastly, you can perform a check disk scan. Search for command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r and /f. Hit enter and then press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.